In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to a bank account. Whether you're new to Wise or just need a refresher on the process, this guide will walk you through each step in a clear and straightforward manner. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Wise website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering wise.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should be greeted by the Wise home page. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to sign in with your credentials. Seeing the home screen means you're all set to move forward. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to locate and click on the send option. Typically, this button is prominently displayed on the dashboard, making it easy to start your transfer process. Clicking send will take you to a calculator page where you can begin to specify the details of your transfer. Once you're on the calculator page, go ahead and enter the amount of money you want to send. This step is key as it allows you to see the expected costs, such as fees and the exact amount your recipient will receive in their currency. Wise's transparency with fees is one of its strongest features, giving you peace of mind about your transaction. After specifying the amount, the next step is to click on the Add Recipient button. This action takes you to another page where you can input the required details for who will receive the money. Make sure to double check the details you enter here, as accuracy is crucial. You wouldn't want the funds going to the wrong account due to a simple typo. When you're adding recipient information, expect to fill out fields such as their bank account number, name, and the country they're located in. Wise may also request additional information depending on the country and bank you're sending money to. If you're unsure about any of these details, it might be a good idea to confirm them with the recipient in advance. Once you've entered all necessary recipient details, review everything carefully before proceeding. Wise's system is designed to prompt you for confirmation at each step, so you can be sure all information is correct before you finalize the transfer. And that's it. Following these steps should allow you to send money from Wise to a bank account with ease and confidence. Wise's user-friendly interface ensures that each step is straightforward, but if you do run into any difficulties, their help section is full of useful articles and support options. Thanks for watching and happy transferring!